In this video, I'm going to teach you about the distance formula, okay? And we use this formula to find the distance between 2 points, okay? Here's the distance formula, okay? And we use this formula to find the distance between 2 points, okay? Here are the 2 points, this point and this point. Okay, this point here, this would be x, this would be y, and the second point, this would be x2, and this would be y2. Okay, there it is written out for you. This is x1 and y1. This is the first point, and this would be -7 and 6, x2 and y2, the second point. And we want to find the distance between this point and this point. Well, all we have to do is plug these numbers in to our distance formula. Okay, so let's begin. Let's plug these numbers in. First of all, x2, which would be -7. Okay, take away x1, which would be -3. Okay, all in brackets, squared, plus, in brackets again, y2 would be 6, take away y1, which would be -6, all squared. And it's all square root of. Okay? Right. Let's work this out. First of all, let's make it simple. -7, these two negatives here become a plus. So that would be -7 plus 3, close the brackets, plus 6, and these two negatives become a positive. 6 squared. Alright? Now, -7 plus 3 would equal, well, we go down -7. 7 plus 3 would be -4. -4. Okay? Squared plus 6 plus 6 would equal 12 squared. Okay, and don't forget, all in the square root sign. Okay? Okay, now we've just moved that up to give us more room to work out the rest of the equation. -4 squared would be -4 times -4, or -4 times -4, well, it becomes a positive, and 4 times 4, that's 16, plus 12 squared, 12 times 12 equals 144. Okay, 144 plus 16 equals 160. Because 144 plus 6 is 150, plus 10, 160. And of course, our square root sign, the square root of 160. Now, how do we work out the square root of 160? Well, by using a calculator, the square root of 160 would be 12.64. So the distance between the 2 points would be 12.64. So the answer is 12.64. Now, I'm not a big fan of using the calculator, and I have made a few videos to show you some ways that you can work out more difficult numbers, how to find the square root of more difficult numbers. There's not really an easy there's not really an easy answer to